Oh, 74, 74.
Bingo!
Possible on 74, last number. Verify, please. Now we also got one other winner in the back. 16903.
Ayaw tumunog. Akin namuro eh.
Good job. 74 last.
20 na kapatid. Ang kalaban mo ano papel?
39173 paper. 39173. 39173.
Wala yan sa papel.
Is this your card?
Kolor niya, kolor.
How about 31978?
Wala yan, wala. Na-mix niya yung ano, yung number. Wala yan, wala.
Okay, let's go back to the player.
Sabi ko na, nakita ko na eh.
Alright, take it back to the player.
Yes.
Double bingo.
Yes.
Alright, there's no bingo to this
Yes,
one.
baby.
But we got one bingo that you verified.
Yes.
And we had to play the wave it off, man. 4-card double bingo. 4-card double bingo. Does the player agree?
Yeah.
Player agrees. The player's waiting. Thank you, player. Going to go bingo to Big John. Any others?
Nada.
Finishing another bingo. This game is closed with one good bingo. Player, hit our lucky player here for his prize. Before we get into break, go ahead and get your California Go 2000.
Waiting din ako eh.
Nagulat ako, hindi ko alam, wala akong waiting.
Ako mag-waiting. Dalawa yung ano mo, o tatlo. Ang pareho.
Share number 1501 for California Go 2000 going off right now.
Ano ba? California Gold?
Here we go. California Go 2000, 64. 64.
California Go?
3434. 9, the number 9.
Kapari. Kapari.
4040. 3939. 7474.